this little piggy did her makeup. Hey guys, it's Justine. Welcome back to my channel. It has been a while. Feels like a while, I think like a month and a half or so. August was a very hectic month for me, very fun month. I went on vacation, very busy, very happy, and I'm very happy to be back in front of the camera filming a new video for you guys. So some of you may know that I went on Accutane if you've watched that video that I made like 2 years ago. So even though I went on Accutane and my skin is basically clear for the most part, I do get breakouts every once in a while. So I just had a pretty big breakout last week, and it's kind of coming down now. It's kind of receding back into scars. There aren't many active pimples left, but as you can see here, there are some scarring / drying up pimples around my mouth area, and one little guy kind of active on my forehead as well. So I thought I would do a quick, light, simple way to cover up hyperpigmentation or acne scars. Something that's really easy and light and fast. This is what I usually do to conceal any breakouts I may have. Alright, so getting started, I'm going to use the Hylamide Blur, HA Blur from Deciem, the Abnormal Beauty Company. It's more like a silicone-based primer. It definitely feels very silicone-y, smells silicone-y. I do prefer Benefit's Professional. That's just the holy grail, basically. But I've run out, so time to finish up my HA Blur. Alright, so moving on to my CC cream. I just picked this up like a week ago. It's the IT Cosmetics CC Plus Oil-Free Matte with SPF 40. So this guy is really popular, and I find that I'm loving it so far. I really like the fact that it has the SPF in it, as well as it really does stay matte the whole day. Like, I'm a fairly oily person, and it really does a good job of keeping me matte. And I think the color correction in this product really does a lot to neutralize any hyperpigmentation that I have without even me having to put concealer on top of it. Just taking a tiny dot, I'm going to use my fingers to apply. Warm it up in my hands to get it smooth, and then just work it into my skin. Again, very light, very easy and simple to do. I don't want to get too involved or have too many layers of makeup on. So now that my CC cream has already kind of covered up a lot of the hyperpigmentation that I had going on, I'm just going to kind of zap the remainders by using my NYX HD Studio Concealer. Right under eye. Obviously this is not acne, but just to brighten up my under eye area. I'm going to be lightly stippling with my finger. And to set everything, of course, coming into my handy Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I'm just going to be using the powder here, and as you can see, my yellow banana powder has kind of been, has definitely hit the pan. Shit hits the pan. So is my normal powder. The banana powder is great to neutralize any redness that you may have. Of course, not as powerful or as intensely as a green powder or a green concealer would, but for my purposes, I don't really care about obliterating the blemish. I just want to make it a little bit more subtle and blend it in with my skin. So just applying the powder. And And I usually just go in with my finger and take a bit of the banana powder and apply it directly to the areas that I want to neutralize a bit, just for a bit of added locking in. Alright, so that is basically what I do for a quick and easy and very tactile acne slash blemish coverage routine. Again, very light, very easy. That is about it for the foundation. I'm just going to do the rest of my makeup, my eyebrows, a bit of blush and highlighter, and I'll be back to say goodbye. So here's kind of a close-up, side-by-side comparison. That is it for my routine. I hope you guys found this video informational and helpful in any way, shape, or form. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment box down below, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!